Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see the answers of challenge exercise. So I hope you have checked out that video where I've explained you all the tasks that you can perform in Canva with a challenge exercise that I've given. So these are just the answers of that. So let's get started with this video. But if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, you can check out the complete playlist. You can check out the complete playlist of Canva tutorials that we have on our channel. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.